Hello everyone, and welcome to my video. The latest trends in digital marketing. Artificial intelligence and machine learning have the potential to revolutionize digital marketing in numerous ways. In this video, we'll explore the advantages of AI and machine learning in digital marketing, including personalization, voice search optimization, and influencer marketing. One of the most significant advantages of AI and machine learning in digital marketing is their ability to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. AI-powered chatbots can provide personalized recommendations to customers based on their past behavior and preferences, leading to higher conversion rates and increased customer satisfaction. Predictive analytics uses machine learning algorithms to analyze data and make predictions about future outcomes, allowing businesses to adjust their marketing strategies accordingly. Personalization is a crucial trend in digital marketing as it enables businesses to create more engaging and relevant experiences for their customers. By tailoring content and messaging to the individual preferences and needs of each customer, businesses can improve customer satisfaction and loyalty while also driving conversion rates and sales. We'll discuss the effectiveness of targeted ads, personalized email marketing, and customized landing pages in achieving personalized digital marketing. Voice search is becoming a prominent trend in digital marketing as more customers use virtual assistants and smart speakers to search for information and make purchases. Businesses that optimize their content and website for voice search can gain a competitive advantage by improving their visibility in search results. We'll explore how to optimize for voice search using conversational language, long-tail keywords, and answering common questions. Influencer marketing has become a crucial trend in digital marketing as it provides businesses with the opportunity to connect with their target audience through trusted, influential individuals. We'll discuss the importance of finding influencers who align with your brand values and target audience, establishing clear objectives for the campaign, and measuring success. In conclusion, AI and machine learning have the potential to transform digital marketing by providing businesses with valuable insights into customer behavior, preferences, and trends. Personalization, voice search optimization, and influencer marketing are crucial trends that businesses should focus on to improve customer satisfaction, loyalty, and conversion rates. By using these technologies and trends effectively, businesses can gain a competitive advantage in today's marketplace.